Hello my lovely friends. It's been a while. The last time you saw the circles that I showed you, they were on the car without rubber. But now, the circles have rubber on them. So you know what's next. Yeah, look at that. They're much better.
Meaty.
Now, how do you get the wheels balanced?
They already are balanced.
You might need an alignment.
Oh, when you put the tires on?
No. Cut that in post.
I'm gonna lower
Put the rest on. Let's go. Go for a rip, bud. Come on.
Do you hear that? I didn't take the stickers off. I didn't think it'd make that much noise. Stiffer sidewalls. We have to pull over and take these off. This is brutal. It sounds like, you know when you're walking and your feet are wet?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll pull over in the park and flex on all them Mazda 2s without Enkeis.
Oh yeah, that'll be fine. This is what was making all the noise. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys, I got 205 50 15s for the meet.
Ooh, check that out. Performan. Welcome to the closed course in Mexico, everyone. It's nice to have you.
Jeez. Oh my god, they're not even slipping! Jeez. That's not even the limit. The reviews on Tire Rack said that they don't feel like glue-like, like an actual like racing wheel, or a racing tire, but they feel like, not super glue, but probably Gorilla Glue, for sure.
I think Gorilla Glue is better than Crazy Glue, isn't it?
Super Glue's instant.
Ow! This is my shoulder.
Ow! Well, first impressions, the tires are sticky. I'm gonna get a better idea at autocross this Sunday, and they feel pretty nice. They're not too bumpy. Sorry for the noise, it is a little bit dark, but these look awesome. I think the tires are a bit low. I gotta pump them up a little bit. I don't think the body shop did it enough. We're in some better light now, so you guys can see. You like it? The only thing we gotta fix is this. Eventually I'm gonna get some caps, because that's just, it's nasty. And I got, these are 949 Racing lug nuts, by the way.
By the way.
That's yeah, there you go. That actually already looks better. Like if you were kind of blind, look, it looks good.
If you were visually impaired.
Yeah. I've moved out and I don't have a computer, so that's why I can't edit videos. So I just gotta go down to my folks' place, which is kind of a pain because I'm kind of busy. I don't always have time to do that. But I got autocross soon to break in these tires and hopefully get some footage for you guys. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like the wheels as much as I do, because I think they look great. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.